Have you been feeling overwhelmed in life lately? You feel you're being pulled in so many different directions. You don't know which way to go or which way is up. Join me for a few practices to ground. I'm going to start on my back. So go ahead and find a space that you have room in and just take your time in lowering down. Be mindful if you have any neck or back injuries or pain. And one of my favorites is a simple practice of having the feet apart but the knees together. So you want to find the feet to separate in order for the knees to comfortably come close together. Bringing one hand over the heart, the other one somewhere along the abdomen, above or below the belly button. You could start with your eyes opened, or I like to close them down. See which one feels best for you. Start to feel the floor underneath your body, just connecting to the floor, sensing how the floor is holding you. Feeling the hands lift with your inhale. Lower with your exhale. You could stay here as long as you'd like. Another practice that I quite enjoy is bringing my hands down to the sides, having the feet come together and the knees apart. It's a little bit more of an opening for the hips, but it brings energy down through your legs into your feet, and it finds this somewhat of a synchronistic, energetic balance, like the infinity symbol. You could lift your arms over your head if you'd like that, or keep them down by your sides. Giving into the floor, giving into the ground, as if you are surrendering into what is. I'm gonna bring my knees together. Take your time. You could stay as long as you'd like. If you have your phone next to you, you want to put a timer on, go ahead and feel free to lay for 2 to 3 minutes. I like to rock and a little activation in my lower spine, the sacral area, massaging for me, not maybe massaging for you. And then just gently roll to your left or right side. Take your time. Feel the floor holding you as you rise back up to your seat. And I'll just offer you a last grounding practice. Hands facing down on your knees, shoulders away from your ears, eyes half gazed looking down, or close them all the way. And then go ahead and curl your fingers in. Just let the thumb tips and index fingertips touch as you rest your hands on your knees. Taking a few breaths here. Sensing your connection to the earth beneath you. Bringing some awareness of your connection to Mother Earth. Now I feel more sense of peace and grounding. I hope you do too.